Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continues in the next verse, 131 of Surah Taha, to comfort the Prophet ﷺ. He's saying, وَلَا تَمُدَّنَّ عَيْنَيْكَ إِلَى مَا مَتَّعْنَا بِهِ أَزْوَاجًا مِّنْهُمْ زَهْرَةَ الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا لِنَفْتِنَهُمْ فِيهِ وَرِزْقَ رَبِّكَ خَيْرٌ وَأَبْقَى. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying is, don't strain your eyes and longing for the things which we have given them to enjoy, as enjoyment to a part of them. The splendor of this life and this world. He's telling the Prophet ﷺ, don't worry about what they have. They may have more physical means, they may have more wealth, they may have all of those things, but don't worry about it. Don't look in longing for what they have. The fact that they have all of this wealth, the fact that they have all of this power and all of this influence, don't long after that, because the splendor of this world is what? لِنَفْتِنَهُمْ فِيهِ. That's how we're testing them. Your test may be in the trial and in the hardship and in the poverty. Their trial is in the wealth and the luxuries of this world. We're all being tried. The manifestation of that trial is different for every individual. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is reminding the Prophet ﷺ, وَرِزْقُ رَبِّكَ خَيْرٌ وَأَبْقَى. And the providence of your Lord, the sustenance of your Lord, the rizq from Allah is more enduring and everlasting. It's khayr, it's better, وَأَبْقَى, and it's more everlasting. In other words, you're worried about the temporalities of this world? Don't worry about it. Because the eternal rizq that we have reserved for you is better than that. It's better than what we have here. So the word, we have oftentimes, and we have this in our conversations, people talk about the glory days of Islam, right? When Islam was at the peak of its civilization. And we had the things of this world, the sciences of this world open to us. We forget, brothers and sisters, that these are just favors that Allah has given us. He's gave it to us at one time, and now there are others that may have those favors. It does not change the obligation that you and I have for tazkiyat an-nafs, to purify ourselves. And just so people understand, just so we understand, part of what I'm talking about. At the height of civilization in Andalusia, at the height of its civilization, one library in the palace in Alhambra, one library in that palace housed over 600,000 volumes of written knowledge. 600,000 volumes. By comparison, at the exact same time in medieval Europe, the largest library in all of Europe had no more than 600 books. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala opened up the world to us and opened up the world to those predecessors because of how they were practicing their faith. But these were all favors that were given to this world. And now people are in despair saying, well, others are wealthier than us. They have more power, they have more influence, they have all of these things. And we forget that those things are as much a trial for them as we have the trials for us. So the Prophet ﷺ is being told here, don't forget that وَرِزْقُ رَبِّكَ خَيْرٌ وَأَبْقَى. The rizq from your Lord is better and more everlasting. That which we see in the next life will be better than anything that we have here.